Alright, so here's another vlog to expose the corruption and demonic forces running the whole world, basically. So, as you're aware, this children's football coach, the molester Barry Bennell, was allowed to abuse victims for 30-40 years. My investigation revealed he's part of the same Freemason lodge as Jimmy Savile, Lord Janner, Rolf Harris, and the ex-Prime Minister of England, Ted Heath, who are all known paedophiles and protected by the police, governments and councils and all government workers worldwide. So I've also exposed that they're part of the same lodge, the Freemason Lodge, somewhere in London. These demonic celebrity fraudsters, high-end paedophiles. Also, I've exposed that now basically this Barry Bennell was committing misconduct in public office. Misconduct in public office is a suable offence. Now, when I write to the judge regarding this paedophile Barry Bennell, who's been abusing up to 100 or even maybe up to 1,000 young school children and football children, basically, under the guises of teaching them children how to play football, basically, and given full protection by the police and judges and counsellors for many years, as everybody in the area knew he was a satanic paedophile. So the point of this vlog is now you can understand how demonic this whole world is, that as soon as I write to a judge demanding some of compensation for the relief, for the distress caused by this Barry Bennell and the misconduct in public office and misrepresentation and fraud and corruption and negligence and other common law offences, these scumbag tyrant judges molesters will claim there's no merit in the case. The scumbags, the paedophile protectors, they merit themselves by protecting paedophiles. This is the way they merit themselves as scums, and not paying their old damages from the public funds. So as you're aware now, I'm again owed money by these molesters, these paedophile protecting Satanists, and all their judges for the misconduct in public office by Barry Bennell. Okay, for many, many centuries, and they've been covering up this internally, these scumbags. They'll be charging at least £100,000 damages for this negligence, where they've protected Barry Bennell, just as they protected Jimmy Savile, Lord Janner, Rolf Harris, and their ex-Prime Minister for up to 50 years of police protection given to these high-end demonic Freemasons, 33rd-degree Masons, paedophile protecting scumbags. So now, as you're aware, they'll again fail to pay me the damages they owe, okay, for this disgusting paedophile activities. And the next high-end paedophile who is get caught again, you will hear me announcing the suit on this channel and demanding money from the judges and the paedophile protectors and the molesters and the courts for misconduct in public office. And as soon as they don't pay the money, it's again misconduct in public office, attempting to pervert the course of justice, perverting the course of justice, and again a miscarriage of justice. This is all these scums in these courts course, basically. No matter how much evidence you send them, I'll be hoping they'll be listening to this vlog, that Barry Bennell belonged to the same lodge, the same Freemason lodge as Jimmy Savile, Lord Janner, Rolf Harris, and even the disgusting, disgraceful, despicable ex-Prime Minister of England, Edward Ted Heath, the molester, the transgressor, the tyrant. Okay, so everybody be aware of this and demand money immediately from these molesters for the misconduct in public office and protecting Barry Bennell for many, many years until he was finally apprehended. End of vlog.